In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews from Loox to Judge.me. If you're running an online store on Shopify and want to seamlessly transfer your customer reviews from Loox to the Judge.me app, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Shopify. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now by entering your login credentials. Once you're in, ensure that the Loox app is installed on your Shopify account. This step is crucial because you'll need to access the Loox dashboard to export your reviews. If you haven't installed Loox yet, you can do so by visiting the Shopify App Store. With Loox installed, head over to your Loox dashboard. Here, you'll find an option to export your reviews. This is the key tool you'll use to extract customer reviews into a file format that's easily transferable. Once you've located the export option, download the reviews as a CSV file. A CSV file is a standard way of formatting data, making it easy to transfer between different applications. Save this file securely on your computer where you'll be able to access it later. Now, let's switch gears to Judge.me. Log into your Judge.me admin panel. Once inside, navigate to the Settings section. Here, you'll find the option labeled Import Reviews. This is where the magic happens, as it's the portal through which your reviews will be transferred. In the Import Reviews from a CSV file section, you'll notice a list of compatible apps. Go ahead and select Loox from this list. This tells Judge.me that the format of your CSV file is coming from Loox, making the transfer smoother. Next, it's time to upload the CSV file you downloaded earlier. Click on the option to upload your file, and when prompted, select the Loox CSV file from your computer. Make sure to select the correct file to avoid any confusion or errors in the import process. With your file uploaded, you'll see an Import button. Clicking this will initiate the transfer process. Judge.me will automatically attempt to match the columns in your CSV file with its fields. This automated process is designed to save you time and ensure accuracy. However, you have the flexibility to make adjustments if necessary. Double-check that all the fields align with your expectations to ensure your reviews appear exactly as intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported your reviews from Loox to Judge.me, enhancing your Shopify store's capabilities. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance on optimizing your online store.